Welcome. If you've ever received an unwanted or inappropriate message on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you're using your PC, this guide will walk you through the updated steps to report that message quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home page, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages tab. This will bring up your list of direct message conversations. Next, select the chat where you received the message you want to report. Scroll through the conversation until you find the specific message that concerns you. Now, hover your mouse over that message. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear. This is the More icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu. From the options that appear, choose Report Message. This will start the reporting process. A new window will pop up, asking you to specify the issue with the message. You'll see several options, such as it's abusive or harmful, it's spam, or other categories. Select the option that best describes your concern. In some cases, you may be prompted to provide additional details about the issue. Be as clear and specific as possible to help the X team review your report thoroughly. After you've completed these steps, submit your report. X may offer you recommendations for further actions, such as blocking the user or muting the conversation, to help protect your experience on the platform. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can help keep your messages safe and contribute to a more positive environment on X. Don't hesitate to use these tools whenever you encounter something that doesn't feel right. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.